everyone, this is Divya from Tabudinku Foodies. Today I'm sharing high protein veggie sandwiches that are perfect for breakfast, lunch and even dinner. Made with protein packed paneer and fresh veggies, these sandwiches are both nutritious and delicious. Whether you are trying to boost your protein intake or just want a quick satisfying meal, this recipe has you covered. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and let's get started. Into a medium-sized bowl, add some finely chopped veggies, starting with half cup of cabbage, half cup of spinach, and half cup of carrots. Then add 100 grams of grated paneer, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Give everything a good mix with a spoon until well combined. Set the veggie mixture aside and let's make the yogurt dip. In a blender, add 1/3 cup of plain thick yogurt, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of cashews, 1 tablespoon of honey, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of Italian seasoning or any seasoning of your choice, and 1/4 teaspoon smoked paprika, which is optional. Blend everything until smooth and creamy. Now pour this creamy dip into the veggie mixture. And mix well until everything is nicely combined. Take the bread of your choice and spread the filling generously. You can enjoy it as is or toast the sandwich for that extra bit of deliciousness. And that's it. This high protein veggie sandwich is ready to enjoy. This is honestly one of my favorite sandwiches. It's a complete meal with paneer for protein, nourishing veggies, and spices that take the flavor to the next level. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you are like me, always looking for some healthy, tasty and easy meal ideas, do give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.